돼줄게 언제나 편하게 기대도 돼 네가 원한다면 yeah. 내가 너의 곁에 영원히 옆에
You'll get used to it.
I'm not used to it. I think I just ate some bigger.
That's the first thing I told her, so don't even listen.
Can I have hot sauce?
They have some. You should ask.
Not walking over.
전화가다 보면 그만뒀다 우릴 방해할 수 없어 널 위해 난 모든 걸 다 내어줄게 Star struck 오늘따라 유난히 더 Star struck 맑아 보이는 저 별들도 Star struck 분명 힘들었겠지 널 안아줄게 언제나 너의 곁에 yeah. 네 편이 되어줄게 행복한 날들을 약속할게 너와 난 그렇게 웃어도 돼 저기 하늘은
Hi everyone, so we are on our way to New York. I hope you guys can hear me well. I do have the noise cancellation on, but I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to hear me because there's a lot of noise on the plane. We already took off. The ETA right now is 1:07. It is currently, I think, like 10 maybe. We were delayed by, I think, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. No idea what the plans are for today aside from the Empire State Building. The weather for this weekend is supposed to be pretty crazy. Hopefully we're able to go back home on Sunday. If not, oh well. Yeah, we got some ginger ale. Alex is playing on his Switch right now. I think he's playing Slay the Spire. And then we also got a Truly as well. We haven't opened it yet because we're still drinking our ginger ale. I currently have you guys propped up like kind of on that little desk thing and on my little tripod because it wouldn't fit on my tripod. So we will get to New York at around 1. And then the initial plan is obviously we're going to be taking, I think, the air train, from the air train to Jamaica, and I think from Jamaica to Grand Central Station. But after that, we might just go walking around. I'm not really sure. Hopefully I'm able to get really cool shots and everything like I'm really wanting to. I think that's pretty much it for now.
yeah. 널 보면 미소 짓는 내가 너만의 빛이 돼줄게 약속할게 짙은 어둠이 드리워도 우리가 함께 헤쳐나가다 보면 그만뒀다 우릴 방해할 수 없어 널 위해 난 모든 걸 다 내어줄게 Star struck 오늘따라 유난히 더 Star struck 맑아 보이는 저 별들도 Star struck 분명 힘들었겠지 널 안아줄게 외롭고 지쳐갈 때 넌 내 목소리를 기억해 난 절대 혼자가 아냐 너의 곁에 있을게 짙은 어둠이 드리워도 우리가 함께 헤쳐나가다 보면 그 무엇도 우릴 방해할 수 없어 널 위해 난 모든 걸 다 내어줄게 Star struck 오늘따라 유난히 더 Star struck 맑아 보이는 저 별들도 Star struck 분명 힘들어 널 위해 난 모든 걸 다
So I completely forgot to test out my audio prior to filming this portion while I was doing my little OOTD. But coat is from Amazon, scarf is from Amazon, top is from Goodwill, skirt is also from Amazon, stockings are from Amazon, shoes are from Goodwill, and my purse is from Coach. As for my husband, his beanie is also from Uniqlo Online, shoes are from Allbirds, and his entire outfit is from Syndicate Original, and his bag is from Target.
Finally going somewhere that's not freaking Florida.
Dude, fix your ears. Why do you keep doing that with your ears?
Cause then I can't hear that well, dude. Mind your own freaking business.
Don't cover your ears so much then, and then you'll be able to hear.
I'm trying to yakitori from Udamari grocery store. And this is a thigh, which I already tried and forgot to record. I'll show you guys.
Holy shit, these people don't know how to stop.
They do not. Better blow my mind.
I will make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to more. So I stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. No, now you wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to my soul. I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sphere. You're falling in if you touch me. I swear you will do anything that I want.
It is 10:14 on January 23rd. We finally got home. Well, no, not home. We finally got to the hotel. I think we got back at around like 9 p.m. We were pretty tired and it was pretty freaking cold. I think right now it's showing that it's 19 degrees, but I think Alex said that it feels like it's 0 because of how windy it is. It's freezing. But we came back pretty early because we were all pretty tired and a lot of us were kind of in pain. My neck hurts, his lower back hurts. My nephew's probably getting sick. Tomorrow's plans, from what we know so far, is that we're supposed to be going to the Brooklyn Bridge. I don't think we're gonna do a sunrise just because I don't think any of us can get up that early. Probably going and getting breakfast and coffee in that area. I was thinking, what is that place called? Why do I keep forgetting what it's called? Yeah, I think it's called Bubby's or something. Or maybe La Plaine. I forgot what it's called, but there's one over here by us. It starts with a Q. I don't know. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. So Brooklyn Bridge, breakfast and coffee, probably Canal Street, Harry Potter store. I also want to try to check out the public library just for content needs. Just want to get like some cool shots and stuff and probably take some cute pictures as well. I do also want to see the Rockefeller Center, like maybe go ice skating if we can. When we were in the Empire State Building, I think I recorded it, but you can see it from like down below or from the top. You could see the Rockefeller Center and the ice skating and it looked really cool. I completely forgot that was a thing and I didn't even know you could do that right now at this time. We'll see. We might try to go back to Times Square again, maybe just see it during the day and see what it looks like. What did you think about New York?
I thought everything was pretty cool, honestly. The most confusing part was the maps like not working when we were trying to walk from place to place or take a subway or anything like that. I had a homeless guy or something come up to me asking for a soda.
Yeah, it was very weird because you guys will probably see it in one of the clips that I'm gonna post because I think my audio was also on as well. He was getting a hot dog and I was just trying to film and some guy comes up to us and like singing or whatever he was doing. I don't know. And started asking him for us to buy him a soda. But anyways, so that is kind of how the night pretty much went for today. We didn't really do a whole lot. We landed, we were delayed probably for like, what, an hour, 30 minutes or something like that?
I think 20 minutes.
Was it 20 minutes?
Yeah, it was not that long.
Oh, well, I guess we were delayed for like 20 minutes. And then obviously, I'm sure you guys are all aware, or were aware, I guess you could say, because you guys are going to be seeing this in the future. On Sunday, there's supposed to be a snowstorm, and it does say winter storm warning. We knew that before coming. I mean, during the week, we knew that before coming and not canceling or anything. But to be fair, like, I really didn't want to cancel. Just like he said, I think he ended up actually calling the hotel and asking like how that was going to work and stuff like that. And they said as long as the flights are still going through, then it should be fine. But yeah, we will be here for an extra 2 more days and hopefully I can get some more cool clips because I know today was mainly just vlogging, but I do want to try to get some more cinematic shots, so hopefully I can get that for you guys.
두 눈을 감아 가만히 더 느껴봐 기분 좋은 긴장감 내게 말해줘 tonight 널 알고 싶어 따분할 만큼 이성적이었던 나 무너지고 있잖아 내 앞에 서면 생각도 멈춰 사랑에 빠지는 건 바보 같다고 그렇게 난 믿었었는데 유일한
shown me very much, but it's really cold. It's like, I think it's 11 degrees, but feels like -6, so it's freezing.
내 여체가 없는 거잖아. You're all I need. 너의 눈빛과 작은 향기까지 다 나를 간지럽히네. 모든 신경이 널 향해 있어. 사랑에 빠지는 건 바보 같다고. 그렇게 난 믿었었는데.
There's a sushi onigiri, or not sushi, a salmon onigiri.
We went to the Brooklyn Bridge and that probably was a mistake because
It's like 90% fucking rice. Maybe that's how it's supposed to be, but
You're all I need. 너도 같다면.
man, it's the same price I fucking paid for this thing.
can I touch it?
You look like her.
All right, y'all. I have not recorded too much today at all. I don't even know if I have really recorded anything at all today. It has been extremely, extremely cold. We came the weekend. I think I actually already talked about this in like the last clip or something that I was talking in. We came during the weekend where it's supposed to be like extremely cold. There's supposed to be a snowstorm and everything. And it has just been extremely cold. I have had my hands in my pockets majority of the time. If not, I've had my gloves on. I bought an extra pair of gloves. I also have warmers now and everything. It has just been a little too cold for me to kind of worry about vlogging and everything, and especially because my fingers have been so cold. Even with my mittens on and everything, it's just been way too cold for me. In case anyone was wondering how thick this is, I guess it's not that thick right now. It's crazy.
내 미소에 난 취한 것 같아 자꾸만 웃음이 나 어린아이 장난 같아
다정한 밤 공기가
It's so early. Oh my god, we're here.
My thighs are
When you least expect it. We have made it to Times Square Park.
doing the snowball fight.
잔에 그냥 골라다
Build a snowman.
It's crazy. I can't. It won't
Build a
build.
snowman.
It won't build. Elijah, you ready? Yeah. Record it.
Yeah, I got it.
What the hell?
Whirly fingers.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, your clothes are gonna be wet after.
Elijah,
Help me up.
no, help me up.
Oh my god, it's getting us everything.
Babe, why are you walking over there? Come here.
Do you see us yet? Oh.
Oh, is that you?
Okay.
Why you guys can't cross there? Hey guys,
Oh my god.
get out of the road before I call you guys.
Or something.
He was there for 20 minutes blocking
Like
the
just-
traffic.
And it was like this amount of space for him to turn, and everyone was yelling at him like, turn, you can make it, you're not gonna hit it.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how'd you like the trip?
Like a 10.
On a scale from 1 to 10, how'd you like the trip getting to the airport?
It was horrible. 0.
I tried to record as much as I could, especially the freaking bus that wouldn't go with the old man.
That was terrible.
I feel like an old man that was like in his freaking 60s, 70s, and he wouldn't move up. He kept saying that like he didn't have enough room, but there were buses before him that had the same exact amount of room. I might have recorded that too, I'm not sure. And he wouldn't go up. There was well over enough room for him to go.
To go out there and look at the aircraft with my own eyes and see what's going on with that water system. Shouldn't be much longer. If we are unable to get the system running, there is a procedure we can follow. It would mean no water on the plane. We would use hand sanitizer. I don't like that idea, but it would get you to your destination today. So I'm looking at anything I can do to help you guys get there. Anything I can do, just let me know. I promise to give you another update in less than 5 minutes once I see what's going on out there. Thank you so much, everybody.